Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video of Engineer's Review. And today we are going to do a detailed comparison review between two flagship smartphones lineup introduced by Samsung. So if you are wondering whether to go for a traditional smartphone like Note 20 Ultra or bring a leap into the world of foldable smartphones like Galaxy Z Fold 3, do watch this video till the end. Without any further ado, let's jump into the review. Starting with the most eagerly anticipated smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 was recently announced in August 2021 and will be available in first week of September 2021. Which was also a big decision from Samsung itself as they announced Z Fold 3 this year instead of Note 21. This smartphone costs from 1.5 lakhs and for that you get a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, triple camera setup with an impressive in-display front camera, and finally durable in-folding form factor that comes with two displays. And on the other hand, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra was launched a year ago, but it is the latest model in the Samsung Note series yet. Price range start from 98,000 rupees to 1.1 lakh rupees, available in both Exynos 990 and Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset. A triple setup camera consisting of a main 108MP sensor and a very reliable 4500 mAh battery with 25W fast charging. Apparently, there is a big difference in both devices' design. In terms of build quality, Galaxy Z Fold 3 is so much improved as compared to its previous generations and by far the best looking as well as promising foldable smartphone you can look for in the market right now. You get a flexible screen on the inside and a regular cover screen on the outside. Thanks to armor aluminum, which is used to improve the framework of this device and makes it more lightweight. Fingerprint sensor is embedded into the power button on the right side, which works smoothly whether the phone is open or folded, and the volume buttons are placed above the sensor. The phone supports a dual card slot that can have a 1 nano SIM and an eSIM. And as for audio, Z Fold 3 has a pair of stereo speakers which sits top and bottom of the frame and they sound pretty loud and clear. Coming to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which has a regular design factor yet comes with the best build quality Samsung has ever made. However, it's a bulky smartphone but not as thick as Z Fold 3. Still, the squared off edges combined with the sophisticated mystic bronze color gives this handset the feel of a premium flagship device. It's also good to see this device has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Both power and volume buttons are placed on the left side and the SIM slot is on the top. However, the S Pen has been moved to the left of the bottom, which may be annoying for some long-time Note series users. Overall, as Samsung is well known for its many innovations, both the devices have their own unique and special design. If you are eagerly waiting to experience the future of smartphones, then stepping into the world of foldable phones is the right way. And for those who prefer the traditional design the most, the Note 20 Ultra makes more sense. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 features two 120Hz adaptive refresh rate displays, a 6.2-inch HD+ AMOLED outer display, and a 7.6-inch flexible AMOLED screen, which is the key selling point of this smartphone. So the experience of playing games, watching movies, working on spreadsheets on the wide screen is going to be amazing. Gorilla Glass Victus is protecting the cover screen and back cover of the smartphone is claimed to be 50% stronger than the Gorilla Glass 6. Furthermore, this year Z Fold 3 brings stylus support where you can use an S Pen that would increase the productivity of this device. But we also found the brightness and colors lag behind compared to Note 20 Ultra, which is quite unacceptable in this price segment. Now for the Note 20 Ultra, which has 6.9-inch dynamic 120Hz refresh rate AMOLED screen that supports HDR10+, delivers high quality and smoother visuals, especially for the movies and games. The Note 20 Ultra's screen is bright enough and is fairly easy to read in direct sunlight without any issue. And the in-display fingerprint scanner works smoothly as well. Also, the color accuracy of this device is the best in this price segment. Talking about the S Pen, you get a fast 9 millisecond response time and feels completely natural writing experience. So even though Galaxy Z Fold 3 has innovative multitasking flexible screen with support of S Pen that makes this smartphone more productive and fun to use, Note 20 Ultra provides much better brightness and color accuracy. As we are aware that Samsung is very well known for putting great cameras in its flagship smartphones, thus both devices have triple camera setups, but the choices of sensors and lenses are quite different. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has a 108 megapixel primary rear camera joined by a 12 megapixel wide-angle camera, a 12 megapixel 5x optical zoom camera, and a laser autofocus sensor. You also get a 10 MP selfie camera on the phone, while the Galaxy Z Fold 3 has a 12 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel 2x telephoto camera with a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. There are two selfie shooters on the phone. One is a 4 megapixel camera placed under the main screen and another 10 megapixel placed on the cover screen. If we look at the camera choices on both the smartphones, it seems like Note 20 Ultra would be way ahead, but it didn't happen. The daylight images are pretty good looking on both the devices, and in night time surprisingly, Z Fold 3 did a better job. Whereas the wide-angle camera of Note 20 Ultra performed better as compared to the Z Fold 3. We are a bit disappointed that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 just has a 2x optical zoom. The Galaxy S21 Ultra packs dual telephoto lenses with 3x and 10x optical zoom, and that phone's space zooms goes up to 100x. The Z Fold 3 has two selfies cameras where both the under-display camera and cover camera provides less sharp selfies as compared to Note 20 Ultra. Both devices run on the same interface. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 runs on Android 11 with One UI and software enhancements for a foldable screen where some applications are able to continue between the cover screen and the main screen. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra was launched with Android 10 but has received the Android 11 update. Samsung has promised 3 years of Android updates for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, the same as Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But as we know, the Note was launched a year ago, it has already got one major update. In terms of security updates, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will get security updates till 2024, whereas the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will get security patches till 2025. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset with 5G connectivity. On Geekbench 5, which measures overall performance, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 notched 3418 on the multi-core portion of the test and 1107 on the single core. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra comes with a Snapdragon 865 Plus SoC, also available in Exynos 990, has 3031 score on multi-core portion of the test and 841 on single core in Snapdragon 865 Plus SoC. Although the Galaxy Z Fold 3 comes with a new processor, there won't be a vast difference between the foldable smartphone's performance and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Both devices are fast enough to handle all the multitasking, high-end gaming, etc. for a long run. The connectivity options are reasonably robust on both phones. You will get 5G support, Wi-Fi 6 and NFC. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has benefit in the battery section with its bigger 4500 mAh battery. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 accompanies a battery limit of 4400 mAh. The battery of Galaxy Z Fold 3 needs to control a bigger screen when you are using the phone in a fold format, while the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will keep going for almost 2 days on moderate uses, whereas the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will simply give you 1 day of battery backup. Now let's conclude with the final verdict. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra offers better display quality, smoother S Pen performance, bigger battery and quicker charging ability, unsightly camera bump. The 12GB RAM and 256GB of storage with Snapdragon 865 Plus processor variant is priced at Rs 98,990, whereas the 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage with the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor variant is priced at Rs 1,10,000. Coming to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, which offers revolutionary foldable design which is quite durable, multitasking features that are better and improved, slightly more powerful gaming processor, better cameras for night photography. Z Fold 3 has 12GB RAM and 256GB storage version which is priced at Rs 1.5 lakh, and you will get a 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage variant for Rs 1.58 lakh. But Samsung doesn't have a higher variant after that. Overall, both the phones are of flagship series and offer the best-in-class technology in today's generation. We have given the best buy links in the description box below, you can get it from there. As these two devices have different form factors, there's no direct comparison between the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So if you have the money to spend and you consider yourself an early adopter of new technology, then Z Fold 3 is best for you. But if you don't feel comfortable handling relatively delicate hardware and have budget concerns, the Note 20 Ultra is still a great smartphone despite being a year old. Hence, based on comparison, both devices are best in their own form factors and we consider a draw between them. So at last, which one would you prefer to buy? Let us know in the comment. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel Engineers Review. And for more tech information, you can follow us on Instagram. Bye bye and take care.